At Wavestore, we're always looking for ways to make video management more efficient and intelligent. That's why we're excited to share the details of our latest release, Wavestore 642. It's designed to simplify your workflows, automate key tasks, and integrate seamlessly with the technologies you rely on. Let's start with something we can all appreciate: less maintenance. Wavestore 642 introduces automatic camera updates, but with a focused approach. For now, this feature is designed specifically for our Wavestore Vision 2 camera range. This allows us to ensure a streamlined, reliable update process, keeping your WV2 cameras running smoothly with minimal effort on your part. We understand that video security rarely exists in isolation. That's why we've developed a new software development kit. This SDK opens up exciting possibilities for deeper integration with third-party systems. Whether it's building custom analytics, enhancing access control, or creating tailored alerts, the SDK provides the tools to create truly integrated solutions. Interoperability is key in today's security environments. To that end, our Wavestore Vision 2 cameras now fully support ONVIF Profiles G, M, S, and T. This ensures seamless integration with a wide range of ONVIF-compliant devices and systems, giving you the flexibility to choose the best components for your specific needs. Many organizations are moving towards virtualized IT infrastructures. Wavestore 642 supports this trend with enhancements to our virtual server offering, including compliance with ONVIF Profile S. This allows you to deploy Wavestore in a virtualized environment without compromising functionality, providing scalability and centralized management. For control room operators, efficiency and precision are paramount. That's why we've integrated with the 3D Connection Space Mouse. This advanced joystick provides a more intuitive and ergonomic way to navigate video, streamlining review and improving response times during critical incidents. We've all been there. A user leaves a setup screen open, locking others out of the system. Wavestore 6.42 addresses this common challenge with the new break lock function. Administrators can now quickly regain access, ensuring that system management remains uninterrupted. At Wavestore, we believe in solving real-world challenges through technology. That's why we're committed to driving new integrations through strategic partnerships. For example, our latest integration supports bespoke hotel systems, where cameras monitor scales to capture the weight of cases. This provides enhanced operational oversight and asset management, demonstrating the power of connecting video with business-critical data. This unlocks value across multiple sectors. Here are key industries and applications. Linking weight sensors on conveyor belts with video to reduce shrinkage and improve chain of custody. Monitoring baggage weight to prevent misloads and enhance aviation safety. Integrating video with container weighbridges for customs compliance and logistics accuracy. Monitoring vehicle loadouts to prevent overloading and unauthorized material movement. Validating the weight of goods leaving a fulfillment center to prevent theft. Real-time threat detection and alerts is crucial for many organizations. Wavestore 642 integrates seamlessly with Dahua license plate recognition cameras, enabling you to monitor vehicle access in real time and conduct efficient retrospective searches. This provides enhanced security and streamlined traffic management. The latest Wavestore release is designed to empower you with a more intelligent and efficient approach to video management. To learn more and experience the benefits firsthand, visit our website to download the update or schedule a demo with our team. We're confident that Wavestore 642 will help you achieve more with your video security.